Stop trying to memorize hundreds of phrases, questions in Spanish. You don't need to do that. Actually, it's one of the slowest ways to learn a language. Instead, you just need a few structures, a few patterns that you can reuse in almost any situation. And today I'm going to give you 10 structures, 10 patterns that you can use to build these hundreds or thousands of questions yourself. Structures like me das. Me das means can you give me, can I have. You just add a noun and you're already speaking Spanish. But you know what? Let's try. Let me show you. Mi amor, ¿me das un café, porfa?
Toma.
Gracias. ¿Me das mi teléfono?
Toma.
Gracias. ¿Me das un beso? Vale. Well, it doesn't always work, but the structure is right. So I'm going to show you 9 more, and stick around until the end because the last one is a special structure, special pattern, that will take you from sounding like a tourist to sounding like a local. But first, let's look at a pattern that's very useful, especially when you are in a new place. And that is, ¿Dónde está? Where is? Here we just add a place or a thing that we are looking for. Like, ¿Dónde está el baño? Where is the bathroom? Or, ¿Dónde está la estación de tren? Where is the train station? ¿Dónde está mi cartera? Where is my wallet? And you can even show your phone to someone or a map. ¿Dónde está esto? Where is this? Now, the next structure I want to talk about is puedo, can I, may I? And we're going to add an infinitive this time. And we'll use it to ask for permission to do things ourselves. Like, ¿puedo pasar? Can I come in? Or, ¿puedo probar? Can I try? We can make it longer. ¿Puedo hacer fotos? Can I take pictures? ¿Puedo pagar con tarjeta? Can I pay with card? The next word after puedo is an infinitive. So we don't say puedo, paso, puedo, entro, just an infinitive. But be careful with this. A lot of English speakers, when they want to say can I have, they use puedo tener, can I have, but that's a bad translation. It doesn't work in Spanish. It doesn't translate. So don't do that. It sounds like something a tourist would say. Remember, if you want to ask can I have, we go back to the pattern number 1. ¿Me das? Like, can I have a beer? ¿Puedo tener una cerveza? No. ¿Me das una cerveza, por favor? Can I have a beer, please? So remember, when you want something given to you, ¿me das? And when you want to ask for permission, ¿puedo? Alright, let's move on. The next one is super simple. It's just I, is there, and then a thing, a noun. And that's it. You don't need to conjugate anything. You don't need to use any other verbs. Just I, and then you ask about existence. Like at the hotel, ¿hay piscina? Is there a swimming pool? Or ¿hay una farmacia cerca? Is there a pharmacy nearby? ¿Hay Wi-Fi gratis? Is there free Wi-Fi? And yes, that's how we say Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi. So that one's super simple and you can make so many phrases with that. Now the next one, number 5, we are halfway through. Tienes, do you have, and then a noun as well. You can use this in so many situations, like at the restaurant. ¿Tienes paella? Do you have paella? ¿Tienes el menú en inglés? Do you have the menu in English? ¿Tienes algo sin gluten? Do you have anything gluten-free? ¿Tienes menú vegetariano? Do you have a vegetarian menu? At the pharmacy, ¿tienes paracetamol? Do you have paracetamol? And so many other questions you can ask with this. So you can see how useful all these structures are. One structure, hundreds of questions. The next one, super useful. ¿Me puedes? Can you do something for me or to me? For this one, we also just add an infinitive, like ¿me puedes ayudar? Can you help me? ¿Me puedes dar un mapa? Can you give me a map? Or at a store, ¿me puedes enseñar eso? Can you show me that? See that you can even use some structures together, like ¿me puedes decir dónde está el metro? Can you tell me where the metro is? And of course, don't forget to add por favor at the end. ¿Me puedes ayudar, por favor? Can you help me, please? Now the next one. ¿A qué hora? What time? That allows you to ask about timetables, appointments, and for this one you actually have to add a conjugated verb depending on what you want to ask. Like at the hotel, ¿a qué hora es el desayuno? What time is breakfast? Or at the train station, ¿a qué hora sale el tren? What time does the train leave, depart? Or ¿a qué hora llega el tren? What time does the train arrive? ¿A qué hora quedamos? What time shall we meet? Quedamos, you and I, we. Or you can go to a store and ask, ¿a qué hora abren? What time do you guys open? Or ¿a qué hora cierran? What time do you guys close? So for this one, you have to conjugate the verb a little bit. Next one is ¿cuál es? And we also normally use it with nouns, like ¿cuál es tu nombre? What's your name? ¿Cuál es tu número de teléfono? What's your phone number? Or ¿cuál es el autobús al centro? Which is the bus to the center. Now, don't mistake this one with ¿qué es? Which also can translate as what is. But that's a different question and for a different video. Now, number 9. We are almost there. Super useful as well. ¿Cómo sé? How to? And then here we add a verb conjugated for the third person. He, she, it. One of the main things you can do with this is learning the language with anybody. So you can ask, for example, ¿Cómo se dice thank you en español? How to say thank you in Spanish. Do you see how dice is the verb to say for he or she? Dice. Or you can point at something and say, ¿Cómo se llama esto? How to call this? Again, llama is the verb llamar for he, she, it. Or if you are having trouble with some machine or something, you can ask, ¿Cómo se usa esto? How to use this? One of the main problems I see among tourists is buying a train ticket or a subway ticket. So you can ask a person, ¿Cómo se compra un billete? How to buy a ticket. See that we use compra, se compra, third party verb. Really useful. And now for the last one, the special structure, the one that is going to make you sound more like a native, like a local, and less like a tourist. ¿Te apetece? Do you feel like? Do you fancy? And we are going to add a verb in infinitive, or you can also add a noun, a thing. Like you can say, ¿Te apetece ir al cine? Do you feel like going to the cinema? ¿Te apetece comer algo? Do you feel like eating something? Or with nouns, ¿te apetece un helado? Do you fancy an ice cream? ¿Te apetece un café? Do you fancy a coffee? Do you want a coffee? But this one sounds better than ¿quieres? Do you want? It sounds more natural, it sounds more casual as well. Alright, so there you go. 10 structures, and now you can build thousands of questions, phrases by yourself. And honestly, if you practice these 10 patterns this week, the next time you have a conversation in Spanish, you will feel completely different, more confident, and you will see the improvement. If you want to practice right now, just pick one of the patterns we have seen today and try to build a question by yourself and drop it in the comments so I can check it. If you like these kind of structures, patterns to learn faster, to speak faster, don't forget I have a few videos like this that I will leave in the comments so you can check the series because they are really helpful. And it's a much better way to learn Spanish than just words and phrases alone. If you found the video useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video so it can reach more people that might need it. And it also helps me a lot, so I really appreciate it. And don't forget, I put together a PDF with the 10 structures we have seen today and the examples, plus some extra ones I could not include in the video. For the Patreon members, that's waiting for you in the description as well. If you have any questions or comments, you know what to do, and I'll see you on the next one. Hasta luego!